It's the scientific method. Step number 1, make observations. Just take a look at the amazing world around you. Step number 2, ask a question. Something you want to know, like why is the sky blue? Clap and a clap. You just got to use your curiosity to start. You know you've wondered. It's the scientific method. Step number 3, that's the hypothesis. A funny word that means what you think will happen. Step number 4, that's the experiment. It's where we test it out in a controlled environment. Clap. That's when we just kind of make sure that everything's in place. You can only change one thing in an experiment. That's the independent variable. Everything else stays the same. It's the scientific method. Step number 5, that's the analysis. It's where we analyze the results of the data. Step number 6, that's the conclusion. It's where we compare the hypothesis to the analysis. It's where we figure out what we've learned after what we thought was going to happen and what actually did. And if we can repeat it enough times, we might have just made a scientific understanding new. It's the scientific method. Make observations.